Activity 2. Create a practice regimen that applies schema theory from Adams' closed-loop perspective, assessing its effectiveness for variable practice in team sports.
In Creative, a practice regimen grounded in schema theory and Adams' closed-loop perspective would use repetitive drills with varied conditions, like different passes or shots under changing speed and distance, combining with continuous sensor feedback, which is effective in team sports because its strengths generalize motors programs while allowing error corrections across variable games situations.
Evaluate the impact of primary motor cortex lessons on fine motor skills versus premotor area damage on anticipatory postural adjustments. Propose rehabilitation strategy.
So, in evaluate lessons in a primary motors context, mainly impair rather fine motor controls and prices fingers movements, while damage to premotor area disturbs anticipatory postural adjustments. Rehabilitation should therefore focus on task-specific fine motor retaining for M1 lessons and balance, timing, and feed forward rather postural timing for premotor damage.
Reflect on how central pattern generators or CPGs in a spinal cord interact with descending pathway from the brain to adapt rhythmic movements to environment perturbations.
The central pattern generators in a spinal corpus produce basic rhythmic movements, but descending pathway from the brain modulate their timing and intensity, allowing movements like walking, running to adapt flexible when environmental perturbations such as obstacle or uneven surface to encountered.